Hello. In this part of the video, we'll be going over the crystals and the holders and the rubber inserts. So what we have is one of the Vogel holders, and these have a top and bottom. The part that focuses its energy towards the client, you'll see has a little white frisbee looking thing inside of it, and that's an actual infrared light, and that focuses its energy at the client. So that faces down. The part that has this copper ring faces up to the ceiling. This is the side that we're going to be working with today. The rubber inserts sit into a groove on the top part. If we didn't have the rubber inserts, the crystals would fall right through. So let's start with the rubber inserts. On this particular one, we're dealing with it for the smaller crystals, and it has a shape like a 45-degree angle. Now, if we were to invert this, it would go the other way. So we want to make sure the numbers are always facing down towards the client. Now, the way we insert these is that there is a groove that goes all the way around the top edge. And that's where the rubber insert is going to situate. And we just work our thumbs, and you can hear it. It's in there. If we pull hard enough, it'll come out. But now that it's in there, we can take our crystal, give it a good push, and the crystal stays in place. What's happening is the crystal is forcing the ring to expand and tighten down on the holder. The way to get this one off is to flex the bottom and wiggle it up. Now, if we were to use a larger size ring, the crystal would fall right through. So we have about 10 different size rings, and those coincide with different size crystals. The one for this particular one is 21. It's not important right now. We will have numbers written on the crystals that pair with the numbers on the rings. And that'll be clearly marked in the box so you won't get confused. Moving over to the slightly fatter crystals, we have one that's a saddle combination on top, and that's because these little devils want to pop out of these, and so they weren't able to stay in place. So we needed something on the top to keep them in place, and so we had to develop the system like that. These work much in the same way, where it's going to clip in place. And then we work the saddle around, and there it is. These are loose, but they stay in place. When we want to pop these out, we can either move this aside or just press the whole thing out. These are all consistent in sizing, so we send you the same size rings. If you try and put this in when it's like this, it won't work because you've expanded this ring. So you have to take the crystal out, put that in first, and then push the crystal in. I hope this explanation was good and you are clear about how these two work. Thank you so much.